Hello, my name's Melinda. Thank you for joining me on today's video. We are going to be recreating a photo that I seen on Instagram. I just love the nail art. It was perfect for the summer, full of pastel colors. So I decided to recreate it. And if you want to see what that looks like, stay tuned. Let's get started. Here I had a previous design that I put on my nails, and these are my natural nails, and I applied some hard gel on top of them and just to give them a little more strength, because I also wanted to test out because I've never done hard gel on top of my nails. So I strictly just want to remove the design that I applied before, because all I want to do is just take off the previous design that I had on and do a whole new design that's inspired off a photo that I seen on Instagram. Now I'm using a ceramic bit, and this bit is a lot gentler compared to your more rough bits. This is a bit that has teeth in it, and the bit I use is a lot softer. When it comes to hard gel, it's a softer product when it comes to shaping it and filing it down. So I didn't plan on redoing my set. I just wanted to do a new design on the nails. So this was a perfect bit for that. Although it's great to remove gel polish, it's not a bit that you would use on natural nails. I can tell you that off of experience. I tried it on natural nails because I felt that it was gentle enough to just remove the design, but it actually was burning my natural nail that I had gel polish on top of. So I quickly decided, like, that's not for that, and I just want to share that with you guys because I think it's important to know which bits, and sometimes you just have to play with different tools that you have in your house. Sometimes things come in a set and you don't know what they're for. So, you know, I know if it's not aggressive that I can at least try it out. Of course, you gotta use base coat. Base coat is the jam. It is your foundation. So I apply that to each and every one of my nails. I'm applying a jelly color to give it a little tint of color. First time that I've ever done hard gel on my natural nails. And usually I always have round shaped nails. This time I decided to do them square, so it's all very new for me. It was a nice experience, to be honest with you, because I never really cared for square nails. Now I did apply 2 coats to every nail, and there is a difference between gel polish and painting a nail with art gel. The art gel is going to be a lot thinner and you won't get as much bulk, but I've been traveling and just buying stuff, just giving it away, because every time I go somewhere new I have to get rid of a bunch of stuff. So I worked with what I had, and that's what I suggest for you. And then you slowly start to build your collection as a nail technician, nail enthusiast, etc. I use a dotting tool here, and that is, for me, is actually the perfect tool to make a circle. Of course, I learned it on YouTube. YouTube is YouTube University. And then with the thin nail art brush, I am just applying the little dots. It was fun creating this, I'm gonna say, because a lot of times I watch a lot of things on Instagram and I'm like, oh, I love this, and I just screenshot a bunch of images. And this was the first time that I actually like recreated something fully as it is, because I always like to switch things up. But I stuck to what the image looked like, which is a bit crazy because usually I'm such a want to add my own little jazz on there. And yes, so as I was saying, since I did this nail art with regular gel polish, it is going to have some rise compared to where the normal polish is at. Wherever I did a design, you're going to have a lifted area. And basically what I do is I just apply a thicker coat of top coat that can kind of like prime it and seal it. So that's what I did. But just know that when you do these nail art images on your nails with regular gel polish, they are going to have some rise to them. The cow print, I'm all about the cow print. I really have been obsessed with the cow print, and it came out so bomb.com for doing it for the first time. So just, you know, giving myself my flowers. And then yeah, just sticking to the art. Now this was a very meditative moment for me. Whenever I'm doing any type of artsy stuff or creative or learning something new, I get all the way in, and it just, because I can't see anything, I can't hear anything else, I can only do what I'm doing right now. And that's pretty much what happened here. I just zeroed in and recreated this and had a blast. Who knows how many hours went by, but who cares? When you're enjoying yourself, that's all that matters. Art has that effect on me. Now I'm applying some foil. This foil I just pressed on and I scratched it a little bit so it can have a little vintage look to it. With my striping brush, I'm just gonna shape whatever nail shape that I'm doing here, which is a little round, who knows what. Yeah, so there's just so much to learn as you're doing things, and it's really great to just test things out and see where your strengths are and see where you know, think sometimes you don't think you can do something, and until you don't do it, you don't know where you're at. So for me, creating this, I had a feel that I can do this, right? I just have that feel with a lot of things, but this time it was different. It hit differently because it was so on point, let's just say that. So that gave me you know, a lot of more confidence. And quick tip, jump back to the foil. When I put the top coat on it, I made sure to make it a little bit thicker on the area where there was foil, because I didn't want it to oxidize or start changing color. So I made sure it was very well sealed wherever there was foil, both on the middle finger and thumb, just for the extra security. Then after my top coat, I applied a matte coat, and that just helps have more evenness on the nail, because when you put matte nail polish on anything, it shows everything. This is the final product. I added some cuticle oil. My nails is looking real sexy, and I just enjoy this. I'm so proud of the person who created this, and I thank them for inspiring me with their inspiration. And it's amazing how we can all just collectively motivate and create this spark within each other with things that we love to do. So hope you have a fantabulous day. Thank you for watching the video. I will create more videos like this with Instagram inspired nail looks. Till then, I will send you big hugs, big love, and have a blessed, beautiful, sacred day. Bye now.